Hello po Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July 4 to July the 7th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Meron po tayo mga ilang reading doon, but promise moving forward, magpo-post na rin po tayo ng regular videos sa Babaylan TV. So take advantage of checking some of the videos there and might as well subscribe na rin po kayo sa channel. No? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan ang ating live sessions, pwede po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no po. No? Um, Virgo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo, no? Wow, Virgo, I feel like si person naghahanap-hanap na ng singsing, no? It doesn't matter if that is an expensive ring. It doesn't matter if that is, sabihin natin, real or not, no? But I feel like this is somewhat the value of the object is becoming more expensive if there is an emotion attached to it, diba? Parang nga yung sinasabi natin na bakit naman yung ibang t-shirt, no? Ang mahal-mahal, lalo na yung ah, t-shirt ng mga pumanaw, no? Katulad meron tayong isang auction house, no? Or probably, ito yung tinatawag natin pawn, no? Ng Yumao, no? Na local artist. Tapos, nabibili siya ng mahal. Eh, t-shirt lang naman yun. And beside, luma pa, diba? That is, yun yung value kasi meron pinagdaanan, no? And I feel like itong singsing na gusto ni person, madaming pagdadaanan and it will be a symbol of their love to you, no? Ah, well, yung iba siguro naghahanap ng medyo or nagwe-wish, no? Kung bibili ka na lang din, medyo valuable na din. Mas ma-add pa yung value because of um, the symbol, the stories behind it or attached to the ring, no? With a page of cups and the empress. So I feel like nandito na siya sa estado na iba na yung nararamdaman ko kay Virgo. No? Meron tayong um, hindi na to yung parang dating kami na patutang-tutang lang, na date-date lang. Ngayon, meron na akong mga aspirations and dreams na baka lumagay na rin ako sa tahimik, no? I'm also seeing myself with Virgo na yung iba kasi dito baka buntis na sa ngayon, no? Ah, at itong preparation na ito is sana bago lumabas yung bata, no? Na ikasal na. That's very traditional. Well, not really. It's a bit modern, in between modern and traditional, no? Um, pero ang nakikita ko dito, one thing's for sure, merong ceremony. It might be a bongga wedding. It might be somewhere in the west, no? West talaga. No? It's a ceremony full of passion, compassion, love, sincerity, no? And promises. The Hermit and the Eight of Cups. I feel like nagkaroon na kayo ng separation with your person pero dumating talaga doon sa part na both of you matured and learned the value of the relationship na nagkaroon ng separation. I think both of you tried to have separate lives, no? Um, but you end up going back to each other. Um, Parang napagtanto nyo na hindi naman kasi hindi ganun ka-valuable ang buhay, no? Kapag hindi naman siya yung mapapangasawa, no? There I said, watch your back. But I feel like meron ditong sabihin natin, naiinggit. Ngayon pa naiinggit, no? Um, I think, sino naman ito? Na-intriga naman ako dito. With the Six of Pentacles and the Emperor. Oh, wow. I feel like someone is also, kung kailan malapit na or nagpa-plan na, no, itong si person, meron namang either taong mahabol sa kanya na gustong manira ng relationship. Oh, wow. Feeling ko ang ganda-ganda na napapunta na tayo doon. Meron palang kontrabida, no, sa ating storya. Now, tingnan natin. Kasi, I feel like ex ito ni person dahil hindi matanggap ng ex ni person na lalagay na siya sa tahimik with the Ace of Swords and the Four of Pentacles. So, hindi nakaka-move on at mahal pa rin itong si ex niya na current mo. With the Tower and the King of Cups. The Tower is clarified by the Three of Swords and the Five of Swords. I feel like kailangan na magkaroon ng closure, no, ni person sa kanyang ex dahil nakikita ko na itong kanyang ex ay gagawa ng isang malaking iskandalo if in case na hindi siya nagkakaroon ng closure. Sobrang nasaktan ito, and I feel like this person is going to stab your person's back. I feel like baka kinakausap ka rin or kakausapin ka, no, para siraan, hindi lang matuloy, napaka-inggitera. But if we're going to see, no, the light of the reading, mag-focus tayo dun sa proposal, sa wedding, no? Pinag-iingat lang kayo kasi meron talagang taong hindi matanggap ang pagkatalo, no? So, congratulations still sa inyong wedding or planong magpakasal. I think that this is also one of your person's plan behind their back, no? Tignan natin dito ang message ni person para sa'yo. I dream about a future with you. So, ito na nga yung sinasabi natin, di ba? Na yung isip kasi ni person ngayon is hindi lang siya para sa ngayon, no? Way ahead of time. Nandun na siya talaga sa future, ang layo-layo na, no, ng kanyang ng kanyang dreams na kumbaga nakikita niya na yung sarili niya nakasama kanya, no, sa kanyang kinabukasan. This message is actually made for the guidance of spirit guides, guardian angel, higher self, universe, whatever you want to call this entity. Never allow yourself to be taken for granted. It is better to remove yourself from the situation than to be treated less than you deserve. You are precious, you are worthy. So, it felt like, no, kailangan nga, no, payagan mo na si person na usap at magkaroon ng closure sa kanyang ex. Kasi I feel like gagawa itong ex na ito ng ibang mga dahilan para ma-remove niya uli si person, yung person mo para sa'yo, no? Kailangan klaro sa kanya na wala ng pag-asa at ikaw na yung taong mahal ni person, no? So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. The zodiac signs that I am seeing in here is Sagittarius, Taurus, uh, Pisces, Aries, Virgo, uh, Scorpio, Cancer, yan, Capricorn. So this is your reading, Virgo. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Pabaylan TV. Mag-subscribe na rin po kayo doon kasi sisimulan ko na rin pong mag-post ng regular videos. Ginagamit ko po yun for live, no? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi naman po kayo nasasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no, sa description box po ng video na ito, there is a link. All you have to do is to either click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po lahat ng information, how much per question, the mode of payment, no, QR codes, and gumawa din po ako ng discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. If you also want to avail our private reading, nandun na rin po ang information sa description box. Kung gusto niyo po ng reading na kasing haba ng Gemini, kasi we go in depth, no? I think that's 3 times this length. So 200 likes, kayang-kaya niyo po yan, and we will go in depth, no? So this is your reading again, Virgo. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.